Hello, so today I want to do hopefully a very short video just to show you what I use for my keyword research on my websites. The whole reason I started Make Money Bro is to show you some of the ways that I make money online, and the main way that I do that right now is by running a series of websites or blogs. So it's very important when you have a website or a blog that you have very good keyword research, because this is what will bring in your traffic essentially. So actually the process I have is really easy, but I find it works really well. So I go here, there's a website that's called Answer Socrates. I will put a link in the description. Right now this is a free website. I have a feeling that in the future it might be a paid website. Anyway, so you can basically come here and you can basically type in whatever you would like to do your keyword research about. So maybe you have a food blog, maybe you want to search about blenders for food blenders. Let's say food blenders. There you go. And then you can choose here the country. So I have it on America, and then we have English. We go to search. Now what this website will do is it will go through the questions, the auto suggest questions, and also the people also asked section of Google, and it will come up with all of the questions, all of the queries from there really quickly. Look at that. So I have all these things very fast. So, and it's all about food blenders. See where to buy blenders, how much does a blender cost. Now I can't just start writing about these randomly. I want to find out what the competition is like for each of these things. So I would go to download CSV. There you go. So then I would open that. You might not be able to see this very well. Let me put that here for you. Let me make that a bit smaller for you. So I would then simply get all these keywords and go like this, copy every single one, all of the keywords, all of the key phrases, I suppose I should say, from there. And then I use this tool. It's called KWFinder, and the reason that I really like this tool is because it has a really accurate, or I find it has a really accurate competition score. There are a lot of other keyword research tools that have a competition score, but I find them really inaccurate, and if you are basing a website off them, you will end up not really getting as much traffic because you'll be writing for things that are way too competitive. For example, I also have Uber Suggest, and I find that the Uber Suggest competitive score, if I can speak, is way out of whack. Even Ahrefs. Now Ahrefs is amazing for lots of things, but the keyword difficulty score is not very good on that. So anyway, I already have all of the key phrases copied in my clipboard from the Excel spreadsheet I downloaded. Then I right click, I go to paste. Here we go. And it automatically helped me by deleting any duplicates, so that's good. Then I go to United States. Obviously you would choose whatever location that your website is based in. I go to process keywords. So here is where the magic happens. You can basically go through all of these queries, and any of the ones that interest you, you just need to click on them and it will come up with this. This is the competition score. This one is 43. If you have a new website, I wouldn't go for that one. You're basically looking for anything that goes green. Personally, when I have a new website, a brand new website, I go for something which is dark green. So let me sort these by keyword difficulty. These are the normal green. That should be fairly okay for a new website, but you still might find you might not rank perfectly. But when you find something which is a dark green, and I I bet that while I'm making the video, I won't be able to find anything dark green. Isn't that always the way? Let me see. Food blender small. Surely one of these will come up as dark green, right? No, that's 42, so I wouldn't go for that either. What is the best and quietest blender? 26. That's not dark green either. Anyway, so if you see one that is dark green, you know that is the first one that you ought to tackle. Now, obviously, food blenders, maybe it isn't a very good topic. Maybe there's a lot of highly competitive things, but that's the whole reason that we do this keyword research. If you had just gone right ahead and written a load of these articles, you would then be like, why am I not ranking for any of these, right? So this is the whole reason that we do the keyword research. So I would just literally go through all of these queries, and when I'm finished, I would sort them by the keyword difficulty. I'd have a look at all the keywords and see how many, like under 20, I would say maybe 20 or under for this score. I would see how many I have, and that will help me decide whether I should go into this niche or not. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description for KWFinder. Like I said, I use it every day. I find it awesome for keyword research. The competition score is really on point. You can see here that when you go onto this one, it says it's a competition score 16. So when you look here, it will tell you the domain authority of each of these sites, and you can see, look, there's one here that's only a 6, there's one here that's a 12, but yes, there are a few that are higher than that, but that's why it's at 16. And if I go to one which is highly competitive like this one, it says 48. It's going to update now, and every time you update a keyword, that will basically cost you a credit on your plans. If you want to sign up for this KWFinder, then it's important that you choose a plan that suits you very well. That didn't work. Let's try another one. There you go, 51. So this is hard, and you can see why it's hard, because you go to the domain authority. Look at that. There's not one site there under 20, and usually when I'm doing the manual research, I will look for at least a couple of websites with a DA of under 20, and you see here that there aren't any. So yeah, I find this is a really good tool to help with the competition, help me to sort through all the keywords that Answer Socrates have found for me. So there you go. So yeah, like I said, if you're interested in KWFinder, I'll leave a link in the description. That is my affiliate link. I appreciate any support you can give me. That's how I'll be able to carry on making more videos. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you hopefully